Here's part 2 of the Lionel number 464 Sawmill video for information and operation. Here's the finished product. Got her all together. When you load the logs, try to make sure they're in the center here so they don't catch when they go down. Of course, this is the log dump that puts the logs in here. Straighten them up a little, and the timbers go on the top. In the slot, there's 5 timbers and 5 logs for each sawmill. Vary the voltage, but I find that for operation, the lower voltage is better. The faster you go, sometimes the logs jam in there. So here we go. You can see the logs go in and the timbers come out, or the planks, I mean. I keep calling them timbers. Super neat accessory. Comes number 3. It works good. I'm going to leave it run here even though it's empty. On my 1034 here, I've only got it about this far. I don't know what that is, maybe 10-12 volts. You don't need too much. Anything more will probably cause a jam. Okay, just wanted to show you the video of it all done and running. Thank you for watching and have a good day.